Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel Stylu. So today I'm going to show you two products, and actually this video is about the review video about two products which are the oil-free moisturizers. And a lot of people come up with the problems of having a very oily skin, and they tend to buy a moisturizer which is specifically tagged as oil-free moisturizer. So I have been using two of the oil-free moisturizers. Like, I have got hold of two of these oil-free moisturizers and I've been using it for some time now, and I'll be showing you what are the my likes and dislikes, and I'll be comparing both of this. One is from the brand Urban Botanics and one is from the brand Mamaearth, and we'll tell you which one you should be going for. And just a disclaimer before going to the video, I have an combination to oily to combination. You see the shininess on my nose, so this shows that if your T-zone is oily, that means you have a combination skin. Or if your T-zone is not oily, even after you wash up your face with a cleanser, then it is actually classified as a normal skin type. So I tend to have a normal to combination skin type, which varies from season to season. So now it is monsoon, so I do have a combination skin type. So today let's begin with the video. But before going into that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So let's dive into the video. And the first product that I'll be talking about is a Mamaearth. So this is a Mamaearth oil-free moisturizer. So this is the this is actually the sample size one which I got from Smitten. But if you want to buy the actual product, it is available in Amazon. I believe it's available in Nykaa as well. And the actual size of the product is 80 ml, I believe, and it is priced something around 299 rupees, something below 300 rupees. So this is the first product which I'll be talking about. So this one was my first ever oil-free moisturizer which I got my hands on, and that was the time when Mamaearth, like every single one on the earth was buying Mamaearth product. So I thought also I'll be giving a try of the Mamaearth product. So for try, I always go back to Smitten. I'll also give you the link of Smitten. You can use my referral code, in that I'll get some points. So I got it from Smitten, and this was a trial size of 25 ml. The product looked quite promising. It has written it is paraben free, it is non-comedogenic. So non-comedogenic means it will not clog your pores. So that's good product as such. Apparently it's an oil-free moisturizer which is mixed with apple cider vinegar, and as I mentioned, it is like for this 25 ml, I think it is priced at ₹45. But if you buy the full size product, which is 80 ml product, it will get it something around 300 rupees. I'll give the link of the same in the description box below. So now my review about this particular product is that this product is creamy in texture. It does not feel oily when you immediately apply. Like 1 minute after application, you don't feel oily. But trust me, after application, like within 5 minutes, I start sweating like hell. It has a mild fragrance, like it has a very mild fragrance. But I'll apply it on one side of my face, and I'll show you. Once I apply it on my face, I start sweating like crazy after 5 hours. So from my side, even though the product looked promising, like it is non-comedogenic, it is for acne prone skin type, and also it is paraben free, I am definitely not going to repurchase or purchase the full size product of this, because it did not suit my skin at all. So this was my this is my review about this particular product. So I thought, why not try a separate category of separate brand from which I can get another oil-free moisturizer. So that is when I came across this brand, and this is the brand Urban Botanics, which is not very popular as such, you can see in the market, but then it is quite promising. All the products that I have used from this brand are quite promising. And so this is another oil-free moisturizer from the brand Urban Botanics, and This is again the same thing is written here. It is non-comedogenic, that is it will not clog your pores. You see I have already started sweating on this side. This side does not have any sweat. So this is a mattifying moisturizer. Actually this is a mattifying moisturizer which is for again the similar thing, very similar thing. So if you see the similar thing was written here also. It is made for the acne prone skin type, and this also says the same. It is for the acne prone skin type. It is free of paraben, which is written to the back side of it. It is free of paraben, propyl glycol, SLS, and all other harsh chemicals. And it is also non-comedogenic. So now my review about this product. First of all, I like the packaging of it. It's a very sturdy packaging with a lid which also has a silver lining here. So I really like it. It has a little medicinal type of smell, but not at all a very strong fragrance. Now if you have a pump, it comes in a pump bottle, which again for me I feel it's very convenient. So now if you pump it, it looks to be a little oily, but trust me, when I apply it, again I'll be applying it for one side of my skin. See, I have started sweating so badly. I don't know whether it's getting captured on one side. So I'll apply it on the one side of my skin. It actually mattifies my skin, and guys, it is not a sponsored video at all from any of those brands. So it is I feel like initially when I saw it, when I pressed the product, I'm like, oh my god, it says oil free, but it looks very oily. But trust me, it has a very creamy texture, but I don't know, all of a sudden it gets absorbed in my skin. I do not even feel the stickiness which I feel it here. Here if you press my skin, which has a Mamaearth oil free moisturizer applied, the skin feels a bit sticky, and I do not like it, because I feel, I cannot keep this product applied on my skin, because first of all it feels sticky, second of all it makes me sweat like crazy, and I don't know whether it's actually oil free or not. It makes me sweat like so much, I don't even feel that it is actually oil free. But this side where I have applied this particular moisturizer from the Urban Botanics, it does not make me sweat at all. It gets absorbed in my skin so nicely. Though I have a normal skin and a combination, or normal to a combination skin type, I generally do not prefer applying moisturizer, like a very heavy moisturizer, because then in general I feel that my skin tends to get some acne or things like that. I always do prefer a light moisturizer. So for me, this has been a very promising product. Like this product from the brand Urban Botanics, and this is also falls in a similar price range. So if you see, this is a 100 ml bottle, and though the price is written here quite high, like it is written priced at 599 rupees, but you can always get it in the Amazon around 299 or 300 rupees. So it's all, both of the products are quite equivalently priced, like both falls just below 300 rupees. Both are like almost of the similar quantity as well. This is 80 ml, this is 100 ml bottle. I like the packaging of this product. Both of them says the same. Both of them are non-comedogenic. Both are made for the acne prone skin type, and both of them are free of the harsh chemicals. But for me, this wins the race. The Urban Botanics oil-free moisturizer is way better, at least for my skin type. I know it's a completely personal opinion. It might vary from person to person, but for my skin type, this does not suit at all. I'm not going to buy the whole size product. And for my skin type, combination to oily skin type, normal skin type person, I would highly recommend to try this out. This is a new brand and made in India brand. Even the Mamaearth is also a new brand and made in India brand. I do definitely like a lot of products from Mamaearth, which I'll come up in my next subsequent videos. But then this product is a strict no from my side. So yeah, that's all about the comparison video between these two products. Hope it was informative for you, and hope you liked it. And I'll also give the link of the products in the description box below. Do check it out. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe, and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So for today, that's all. Bye bye, take care.